Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm the Betadine tube is within date and has its safety seal intact because contamination defeats the point. Once checked, wash your hands and put gloves if you will touch broken skin. Now hold the tube body with your non-dominant hand and use your dominant hand to grip the cap. Twist counterclockwise with steady pressure. If the cap resists, pause and reseat your grip. This prevents sudden slips and product waste. Once done, remove the cap and inspect the inner seal. Some tubes have a plastic tab, others a foil membrane. You should pierce that seal straight down. Use the pointed end of the cap or a sterile tool because angling can tear the nozzle. After piercing, make a light squeeze starting at the base of the tube. This gives you a controlled first drop. Make sure to release pressure slowly so the liquid doesn't surge. Controlled flow reduces waste and keeps the area clean. You finish by applying a thin, even layer of betadine to the target area because less is often better, pooling waste solution and stains. Then wipe the nozzle with a clean tissue before screwing the cap back on. This prevents crusting and keeps the seal functional. Store the tube according to the label, usually upright and away from heat. If the seal refuses to pierce, try warming the cap in your hand briefly or use a sterile pin. Make sure to sterilize any tool first to avoid contamination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.